Yo, college students, meet the Galaxy Book5 Pro, a laptop that's your ultimate campus sidekick, blending AI smarts, epic battery life, and seamless Galaxy integration. Ready to gain your college experience? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this student must-have. Samsung highlighted the Galaxy Book5 Pro 16 as the perfect laptop for college life. With AI-powered features, a stunning AMOLED touchscreen, and 25-hour battery life, it's built to keep up with your classes, socials, late-night study sessions. Want to know why it's a game changer? Keep watching. The Galaxy Book5 Pro's AI Boost Neural Processing Unit (NPU) acts like a personal assistant, handling tasks with next-level smarts. Paired with storage share in One UI 7, it turns your Galaxy phone or tablet into a wireless USB drive for your laptop. Record a lecture on your phone? Your Book5 Pro can transcribe or summarize it instantly, keeping all your data synced and accessible. Rocking a 3000 dynamic AMOLED 2X touchscreen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, this laptop delivers ultra-smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. Its anti-reflective coating ensures clarity even outdoors. And with AI Select, you can circle anything on screen to search instantly. Plus, it's thin, light, and packs a 25-hour battery, so it's easy to carry from class to coffee shop. The Galaxy Book5 Pro is built for college multitasking assignments, note-taking, and chilling with friends, all on one device. Its seamless Galaxy integration, powerful AI, and durable design make it a student's dream. Whether you're studying or streaming, this laptop keeps up without breaking a sweat. Is this the ultimate campus companion? The Galaxy Book5 Pro is out now, ready to level up your college game. From AI transcription to a crystal clear display, it's got everything a student needs. What's your must-have laptop feature for school? Drop it below. That's the scoop on the Galaxy Book5 Pro. Are you hyped for its 25-hour battery or AI-powered note-taking? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.